MassKara Festival. The MassKara Festival is an annual event held in Bacolod City, the capital of the province of Negros Occidental in the Philippines. It is one of the most vibrant and colorful festivals in the country, known for its street dancing and mask competitions that highlight the resilience and joy of the Bacolodnons, the people of Bacolod. The festival was first celebrated in 1980 during a time of crisis in Bacolod. The city faced two major challenges: the collapse of the local sugar industry and the sinking of MV Don Juan, a tragic maritime accident that claimed many lives. Despite these hardships, the people of Bacolod chose to rise above the adversity and come together to celebrate life, hope, and community spirit. Thus, the MassKara Festival was born as a symbol of the city's resilience and optimism. One of the main highlights of the MassKara Festival is the street dancing competition. Colorful and creatively designed masks and costumes are worn by participants as they dance to the beat of lively music. The participants, often composed of local students and community members, form groups representing various schools, organizations, or barangays, neighborhoods. The street dancing parade is a spectacle of choreographed movements, vibrant colors, and infectious energy, showcasing the Bacolodnons' love for their culture and heritage. The masks themselves are a central feature of the festival. They are usually adorned with intricate designs, often depicting smiling faces with happy expressions, reflecting the festival's theme of celebrating despite life's challenges. These masks serve as a representation of the Bacolodnons' ability to find joy and happiness, even in the face of adversity. Aside from street dancing, the MassKara Festival also hosts mask-making competitions, where local artisans and craftsmen showcase their creativity and talent in crafting elaborate and captivating masks. These competitions add an extra layer of artistry and cultural significance to the festival. As the masks become symbols of Bacolod's artistic heritage. Throughout the festival, the streets are adorned with colorful decorations, and various events and activities are organized, including concerts, food fairs, and beauty pageants. The atmosphere is one of joy, camaraderie, and celebration, as locals and tourists alike come together to participate in the festivities. The MassKara Festival has not only become an integral part of Bacolod's identity, but also a symbol of the Filipino spirit. It has attracted visitors from all over the Philippines and the world, drawing attention to the city's unique cultural heritage and reinforcing the idea that joy and unity can overcome even the most challenging of circumstances.